Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. So for today, I'm going to ask how to become a virtual assistant or a freelancer. And to start off, everyone always been asking me, paano nga ba maging virtual assistant? Or paano ba yung freelancing thing? Or ano ba yung ginagawa mo, Sarah? So here's the quick guide lang para sa inyo. So step number one is that to watch more about freelancing thing or freelancing content na makikita natin sa YouTube, sa TikTok, or kahit saan man meron na po or kahit sa Facebook po no para magka-idea ka kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng freelancing. Step number two, join the virtual assistant community. Like for example po is Upwork, OLJ, no, even the other community na depende kung ano yung gustong niche mo or kung ano yung gusto kaya mong i-offer the skill set, basahin mo, magmasid ka guys, no? Basahin mo yung mga trends doon, yung mga tanungan, at for sure marami kang matututunan doon. Again, kailangan meron kang matutunan. That's the key. Step number three is to choose a skill or a niche na tinatawag. Saan ka ba magaling? Ano ba yung interest mo? Saan ba yung pagka pinagawa sa'yo, hindi ka mapapagod? Step number four is to learn for free. Google, YouTube, university, TikTok hacks, or Udemy, there's a lot of community or na pwede nating matutunan. Step number five is that create your profiles sa Upwork, LinkedIn, Indeed. Siguro bonus points na po no na meron kang resume. Again, the CV, the creative your portfolio. Number six, madali lang to guys. Ito yung pinaka real talk, no? Again, apply. Apply. And yes, you will expect the rejection. No? In the first na pag-apply mo, maraming rejection ka matatanggap. Normal yan. Rejection is redirection, ika nga nila. Hindi ka magiging expert sa isang bagay sa panonood lang. Kailangan dun ka hahasa, dun ka matuto, at magtatrabaho eagerly. No? At syempre, sa mga napapanood ninyo dito na mga tips and tricks, dapat aralin nyo talaga maigi. As in, gawin ninyo. Hindi yung, alam ko lang, tapos itatry mo nang i-apply. Dapat ikaw mismo alamin mo muna at aralin at isa puso at higit sa lahat is pray. Pray harder, guys. Pray lang tayo. And for sure, darating din, sa maraming rejection, darating din yung isang client na mag-yes para sa'yo. One client na yan yung magtitiwala sa'yo. And that can lead to offer, no? Sa mas marami pang opportunity to hire you. And that's it lang. Yan yung mga 6 steps na gusto kong i-point out sa inyo. So that's how to start the freelancing thing or as a virtual assistant. So comment down below kung ano yung niche na gusto mong pasukin. And follow me for more VA tips. Bye!